guys, welcome back to Kylie Adventure. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'm so excited because today me and my mom went to go check the mail, and by the door was a package, and it was for my mom, but she told me that she ordered me something, and I read the top and went, guys. Slime shop. It's from Lightning Slime. I'm so excited. So here's one of my slimes that I love. I'm so excited. My sister's in the background. She's watching me. Okay, so I'm going to attempt. It looks like the box did get a little beat up in packaging. Yeah. Wait, this is an e-box. I like how this person recycles. I heard. Actually, I don't know if you guys know, but Parakeet Slime, she recycles boxes, and that's. And my address is on the back. So I guess this is my, it says no Lightning Slime. And this is my slime. It says Mermaid Pearls, $3. Cinnamon Stick, $8. Kiwi Melon, $8. Whoa, that's expensive. Pink Princess, $3. Peaches and Cream, $7.50. And Mermaid Scales, $4. And my total was $33.50. Well, actually my mom's total. And it says, thanks for purchasing Lightning Slime. We hope you enjoy these awesome slimes. Please tell your friends. It's like a smiley face here. Is what it looks like, and then here's the bottom. Thank you, Mommy. Okay, so I did bring some of my scissors here so I can open the box. I'm just so excited. I'm going to tear into this. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, let's take a peek inside. I'm gonna get you guys to a better angle.
I got to a better angle. I'm so excited. Okay, well, this is kind of stuck to the top, but it comes with this really cute, like, little birthday stuff. Okay, so I'm assuming this is my extras. Okay, so I got an ice cream parlor squishy. Wow. I got this panda, like a little panda bun. And I also got some mini baby things. So I think I see a slime. Nope, this is an EOS. I'm not sure if I'll use this. I'm not sure if it's been used or anything. And I did notice some slime on this. And I did notice some slime on this part. But it's totally fine, you know. So you guys are going to look first at the slime. I'm not even looking. Alright, I'm going to look in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we're going to start with these little ones first. I think we'll start with this one. It does look like this part got like maybe damaged in packaging or something, but it's perfectly fine. I did notice it's not exactly filled to the top. And this slime is, hold on. Let me look at my little note. Look at the bottom. This one is Pink Princess. And this is a butter slime. And also comment if you guys kind of like this setup for these kind of videos. And this is a really nice butter slime. Sorry if you can hear my sister. She's kind of fussy tonight. The only thing about this, I mean, it's really nice. I rate it a 10 out of 10. It's used with Daiso. If you couldn't already tell. And I absolutely love it. The only thing I noticed was it's not filled to the top at all, which is kind of upsetting, but yeah. So the next slime I have is Mermaid Pearls, and I'm gonna go get some activators just in case any slimes are sticky. Okay, so I got my activator just in case any slimes are sticky. Okay, there we go. And I really like how she put tape around the edges. So here it does kind of look kind of melted because every time I tilt it, it kind of... Woo! It's kind of sticky. So I'll see you whenever I activate this. Also, I just want to say, if some of these slimes are sticky, it's totally not their fault because they get hot during shipping, guys. Slimes get hot during shippings, trust me. Hold on, guys. Let me figure this out. I think I got it better. I did activate it, but I guess it didn't get activated enough. But yeah, like I was saying, if they're sticky, it's totally not their fault because it gets sticky during shipping. So this one I rate, and it's probably better. Slimes do get a little stringy after right after you activate them, so I'm sure it's better than this. But right now, after what I'm feeling, I kind of want to rate it maybe a 7.5. It doesn't really wow me or anything. So let's get on to the next one. So this next slime is a let me look at the bottom. This one's Mermaid Scales, which was $4. I think I might have to use my little scissors they gave me. Okay. Wow, this one's really well packaged. So, whoa, this one looks a little sticky. And the reason it's like, oh guys, I forgot to tell you, this one smells like grape. Ooh, it actually smells like berries, yeah. And this one did not have a scent, so. And this one, ooh, this one smells good. This one smells like, it smells like vanilla. And I'm pretty sure they mixed just a tad bit of white glue in here. That's why it's not completely clear, guys. So it's totally not their fault that it's not clear. But it's very pretty. And I rate this one a 8 out of 10. So the next slime is, wait, hold on guys. I can zoom out a little because these are 8 ounces. This one is Peaches and Cream. And guys, I am noticing that some of them are more secure with this tape, I believe it is. Yeah, it's tape. Some of them are really secure and hard to get into than others. Okay, I have like a ball of tape over here. I mean, I really like how she uses tape instead of like that or that like plastic stuff, but still it'd be nice because the tape's like everywhere, you know, guys. So set that over here. Okay, so this one's not sticky. Okay. And also, she did say it was a butter slime. And I did take it out, but it did come with like a little bit of Daiso clay. It came with a little bit of Daiso if you wanted to add it. Okay. So I'm just going to add a little bit of Daiso to mine. A little bit of Daiso. So I feel like this one's very nice. I think during shipping it kind of melted and it's not as buttery or doesn't have as much of a buttery texture. It's kind of more thin and thick. So I'm just mixing in the Daiso. But this slime, oh my gosh, the Daiso is almost fully mixed in. See, there's a little bit of chunks still, but this feels so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. It spreads, it pokes, and it stretches. I absolutely love this one. But I will say, I will have to rate it a 6 because it's definitely my least favorite out of the ones I've played with so far. But that's just my opinion. Ooh, also this one smells like peaches. So, this one actually had like a little opening slit for me to open it. This one's called Strawberry Jam Jelly. No, I mean Strawberry Jam Jelly Cube. This one is ultra clear, so I bet there's no scent because it is like a fully clear slime. Yep, it's kind of sticky though. But I'm not going to add any activator because as you can see, guys, it is ultra clear. It's already cleared out from shipping. Ooh. I've never had a jelly cube clear slime. I've only had a white glue jelly cube before. The one I made, go check out that video. I can't remember if I made a video on it. I think I did, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, this one is so nice, guys. It is a little sticky, so I will be adding some activator in a minute. Let's just add some. Not a lot, but also, guys, she did give me a teaspoon of borax activator, but I took that out and made some. That's what this is. So it did make it a little bit foggier, guys. Don't know if you can tell, but it's still really pretty. So this next one is cinnamon stick. Ooh, these two the two I just opened have had these little things. Oh my gosh, it was just a big bubble. Okay, this one I am noticing has different colors. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or what. Ow. There's like pokey stuff in here. It's ultra thick though, guys. It's ultra thick. I probably won't be playing with this one long because I really am not a big fan. Wait, let me give it a sniff. Oh my gosh, guys. It literally smells like cinnamon. I don't know if I really like this. It's like very chunky and because it's red, you can't see anything that's really in there. It's just like a mysterious thing. I don't know. I really like thick slimes, so I will rate it a yeah. Hold on, I'm finishing my YouTube video. Okay. So, yeah. I'll rate it like maybe a 6.10. Okay, so this last one is kiwi melon. Guys, just look how cute that is. This is the one I've been waiting for. It's neon green, and it looks like little seeds at the bottom. I'm actually so excited. And this one's on her shop, like she said this is one of her OG slimes. Well, that's what my mom said, but I'm not really sure if my mom knows what that means. So I'm not sure if my mom's just saying that or what. I don't know, really, guys. But I'm trying to open this, and this one's very well packaged or like wrapped in tape. Okay. Trying to get all this tape off my finger. More, guys, more. I'm ready to touch it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Is this one gonna be sticky? Oh. It's kind of sticky. I'm trying to make it where you can still see the seeds. Oh, guys, she also gave me like a little baggie of the seeds just in case I wanted to add more. So I'm gonna add more. Wait. So guys, this slime is so amazing. It's so thick. Ultra clicky for thick though. Oh my gosh. Guys, just look at it. Alright guys, that was all for this video. Now I'm going to do the voiceover for the outro. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. And if you like my channel, make sure to subscribe. So whenever I get to 20 subscribers, I'll show you how to make cloud slime more my way. It's like different ingredients than most people use.